Are you ready to transform your home cooking into a gourmet experience? Say hello to the Crock-Pot 7-Quart cook and carry slow cooker with Sous Vide, a culinary powerhouse that combines the best of slow cooking and Sous Vide technology to deliver restaurant-quality meals right in your kitchen. Let's dive into the features and benefits that make this stainless steel wonder a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Crock-Pot 7-Quart cook and carry slow cooker with Sous Vide today. Elevate your culinary creations, impress your guests, and make every meal a masterpiece with this innovative kitchen essential. Your taste buds will thank you. The perfect fusion of slow cooking and Sous Vide. Imagine juicy, nutrient-rich meats, perfectly cooked veggies, and tender fish all achieved effortlessly with the precision of Sous Vide cooking. The Crock-Pot slow cooker with Sous Vide takes the guesswork out of meal preparation, ensuring that every bite is a culinary delight. With a removable probe that guarantees precise internal temperatures, you can say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked dishes forever. Sous Vide, the secret to culinary perfection. Sous Vide cooking involves sealing food in airtight bags and cooking it in a temperature-controlled water bath, resulting in unparalleled cooking results. Say hello to perfectly cooked meats, fish, and veggies that retain their natural flavors and nutrients thanks to the innovative Sous Vide function of the Crock-Pot slow cooker. Cook and carry convenience. Whether you're heading to a potluck, picnic, or family gathering, the cook and carry locking lid ensures that your culinary creations stay secure and spill-free on the go. No more worrying about leaks or messes, simply lock and load your delicious dishes for easy transport. Innovative design for family-size meals. With an updated design that offers more usable cooking space, the Crock-Pot slow cooker provides ample room for larger cuts of meat and generous family-size meals. Say goodbye to cramped cooking spaces and hello to culinary freedom with this innovative kitchen essential. Customized cooking at your fingertips. Take control of your culinary creations with programmable cooking settings that allow you to customize temperatures and cook times according to your preferences. From quick meals to slow-cooked delights, the Crock-Pot slow cooker lets you tailor your cooking experience to suit your needs. Easy care, versatile performance. Cleaning up after a delicious meal is a breeze with the Crock-Pot slow cooker. The removable stoneware and glass lid are both dishwasher safe, while the stoneware is oven safe for added versatility. Enjoy the convenience of easy maintenance and the flexibility to explore a variety of cooking techniques. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Crock-Pot 7-Quart cook and carry slow cooker with Sous Vide today. Elevate your culinary creations, impress your guests, and make every meal a masterpiece with this innovative kitchen essential. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.